What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, WRX Garage, back with another video. This is a white WRX, and I don't think you guys have seen this one yet on the channel. This is my buddy Michael's car. We are down here today working on it, and today we're doing something to his suspension. We are going to be installing the lower control arms with a toe adjustment kit from SPC. So why do you need LCAs, or lower control arms? We'll say LCAs because it's easier. Why do you need those? Well, for one, LCAs, aftermarket LCAs, allow you to add more adjustment to your alignment and more adjustment to your camber in the rears from Subaru. So Subarus do not have rear camber plates on the coilovers. He already has Silver's coilovers, which are really good brand, by the way. He is slammed, his wheels are tucked, and he wants to tuck his rears even more. So we're gonna be doing that by adding these aftermarket lower control arms with camber adjustment. So let's dive right in. We got the car jacked up. We're gonna get the wheels off and show you guys how to take off the stock LCAs, how to put the new ones in, and then how to adjust them. All right, guys. So we're looking at our rear left LCA. So there's 4 bolts, 4 points of connection. Actually 5 on this one because we do have like actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have this little guy here. So to pop this out, we're going to be removing all these bolts. This is where you're attached to your front knuckle here. This is where you're attached to your coilover. Here's where you're attached to a little tie rod. And then here's where you're attached to the actual frame. So these big guys are all 17, 17, 17, 17, 14, and then this is a little guy that I gotta figure out what this actually does. So cool, we're gonna start that, and yeah.
Ryan, let's Oh, that was easy. All right, guys. Well, this is your lower control arm. And we're gonna be replacing it. Pretty simple. So we just unboxed the SPC lower control arms. We got new bushings, everything's good. We're gonna be reusing all the same hardware except for this camber bolt. That's gonna be adjustable point that we're gonna adjust later on that they supplied with the kit, which is great. It's anodized steel. It's gonna be staying in good shape. It's gonna be good. So, same mounting locations for all of those stock parts. Oh, I have it flipped. Oops. For the rear left, this bearing or this bushing goes back in. Then we have the point where we're gonna be adjusting, and then it's pretty simple. Yeah, so we're gonna throw this back in there, show you guys how to mount everything up, and then even, it's great, there's actually these little cutouts for a wheel speed sensor or something on these, which is wonderful. So, the difference between this LCA and some of the other ones that we see on other cars or other aftermarket availability, some will have, instead of the adjustment bolt that we have here, which I'll show you guys later, there is a essentially a spinning ratcheting mechanism in the back here, so you can change the length of these LCAs. Because basically when you're changing this length and you're pushing this in and out of the car, you're pushing the knuckle back on the back of the car, outwards or inwards, which changes your camber. So again, I'll show you guys that a little bit later, but let's put this up into the car and show how it looks.
Ryan Little.
All right guys, so we got the new lower control arm in. We have the slotted area on the side here where we are attached to the hub. And right here this is actually how you adjust your camber right here. So it's already tightened down, and I'll show you guys once we put it on the other side a little bit closer. But you essentially tighten it down and then you use a wrench to turn this, and this entire dial spins, and it takes that slot and changes the distance between where this knuckle of the back of the hub attaches in and out, which effectively changes the camber on the face of your hub itself. So essentially, the more we turn this guy right here, the more, oh, I'm zoomed in, sorry. The more this tilts in and out. So, cool. So this is all set. Everything's torqued. Well, it's tightened down. We're gonna tighten both sides, and then after the end, we'll torque everything all at once. But for this guy, there is no torque spec just because of these actual like adjustment plates. But for these big 17s, we're tightening them down to 89 foot-pounds. For the 14s, we're tightening those down to 35 foot-pounds. And then that little guy, I mean, I just hit with an impact driver. So, cool.
Ryan Little.
All right guys, so here it is. We just lowered the car. Just to give you guys a closer look real quick about how this looks. He is fully tucked under here. Now with this more camber, he has more clearance inside this fender wall here. He has plenty of room. He's tucked, a bit more camber. We also raised the coilovers a tiny bit, but this thing looks super low. Looks really good. Awesome. Simple trick. Just need those adjustable LCAs. Subaru should have adjustable LCAs from the factory, but of course they don't. So SPC does a good kit. Good job. Good install. We're just gonna torque all these down, make sure everything's nice and safe, and then we're good to go.
All right, guys. So that was a quick and dirty install. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. This car came out great. He's tucked, cambered, way more clearance. He's not gonna be rubbing anymore. Shout out to SPC for making a really good kit. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We will see you next week. Got a video uploading every single week for 1 year now, and we're looking forward towards 1 full year after this of more videos. So again, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.